Have your employees ever said something like this to you? "My headache is paining. I want to MC." Or, "I will finishing the report and email back to you sooner." Sounds unbelievable? Unfortunately, this situation is only too real for Rumley, a general manager of a company. One day, after a particularly embarrassing board meeting where one of his managers began his presentation with, "I am well here and hope you are in the well too," Rumley decided that he needed to take some drastic action quickly before things deteriorated further. So he started looking around for a proper trainer who could significantly ramp up the level of English communication for his entire staff. A friend who was an HR director recommended Sumati Krishnan of Stratford Training, as she had produced some very good results in his own company. Rumley promptly set up a meeting with Sumati, and he was very impressed with her 22 years of experience in teaching English, coupled with an excellent track record of training staff for numerous companies, including UMW, Cellcom, and Prudential. So he engaged Stratford Training, and they immediately set to work by first conducting a test for all staff to better understand their different levels of English proficiency. Based on the results, they planned a series of trainings for the diverse levels of staff: English communication, business writing, customer service, presentation skills, and managing meetings. The Stratford Training team started working with the employees, using different strategies for each group. The trainings were experiential and fun, with a lot of live practical sessions. Slowly but surely, the entire staff started becoming more confident and sharper in their English communication. They conversed more comfortably in English and wrote better emails and memos. Their presentations were also better structured. In the post-test conducted by Stratford Training, the employees showed a clear, marked improvement. Nowadays, Rumley confidently invites customers and business associates to his company, as he knows his staff are well equipped to handle them, thanks to Stratford Training. Stratford Training, maximizing your potential. Call 03-8994-0090 today.